getting a call failed error message on your Android phone and you can't figure out why? Here are the fixes that work. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix call failed on your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first way is to do a quick network refresh. The fastest and easiest way to do so is to use the airplane mode. Let me show you how. Swipe down from the top of your phone to access the control center. Toggle the option for airplane mode by tapping on the icon here. Wait for a few seconds, then tap on the icon again. You will see your phone signal strength reset and your Wi-Fi as well. Make sure you have a signal strength of at least 2 to 3 bars for a good mobile connection to be able to make any calls. Try to see if you can make a phone call now on your Android phone. Next, make sure you have an active mobile service connection. Go to your settings and tap on Connections. Tap on SIM Manager. Toggle the option off for your SIM mobile data. Tap on Turn Off. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it on again. Tap on Turn On. Swipe down from the top of your screen and you should see the name of your active mobile service carrier here. Try to see if you can make a call now. If it still does not work, try to reset your network settings. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, and after that, try making a call to see if it works now. Lastly, if all else fails, you can do a forced restart of your Android phone. On the right, press and hold the volume down and power button until the screen goes off. Wait for the Android logo to come back on, then try to see if you can make a call again to see if it's working. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and